subscribers, and I just want to say a big thank you to all of you guys that subscribe. I don't know what's going on though, because I barely get the feedback, the views, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's a mess up with YouTube. I don't know if you guys don't turn on your notification bell, because if you don't turn on your notification bell, chances are you won't see my new videos. So make sure you click that bell right beside the subscription bar, guys. And make sure you stay tuned for my video on Wednesday. And just a head up, it won't be a good quality video, and like I zoomed it in too much, but I already put in the hard work and I'm not gonna delete it. So yeah. And guys, I just want us to grow together and have fun together. So once again, thank you all. And I think this is gonna be my new filming area. It looks clearer, right? Way clearer. I don't know what I was thinking, but I have to time when I'm gonna film though, because like when the sun comes in through here, like it's too bright, like my face gets really paled out. And another thing, this is not a window, this is actually my roof. So yeah, and I figured it out the other day. So yeah, there's actually a window downstairs, but the thing about that is, like, people can look up and see me. And one day I was filming there and somebody see me and they called one of their friends, and I didn't like it because a Brazilian spa is right underneath where I live. So people come in a lot, go out a lot, and they saw me and the person called a friend and they were looking up right in my home. So I was like,